Elizabeth's Seaside Boutique is marketed as a charming coastal fashion boutique, but the real question is it a genuine boutique store or another dropshipping style fashion site using emotional marketing? Now, to be fair, the website itself looks polished and professionally designed. It has product collections, return policies, customer support pages, and emotional founder-style branding. What it does well, the branding feels authentic. The store heavily leans into seaside living, small business storytelling, and support our boutique messaging, which makes the site feel personal and emotional. The website looks professionally built. Compared to obvious scam sites, the store has organized collections, contact pages, shipping promises, and polished product photography. Where it raises concerns, the small boutique struggling to survive story is a common tactic. This is the biggest red flag. Many modern e-commerce stores use emotional closing sale or support our dream narratives to create urgency and trust. AP News recently warned about this exact style of boutique marketing. The discounts are extremely aggressive. Constant 60 to 70% discounts across nearly every item are very common among dropshipping style fashion stores. There is very little independent reputation. Outside the company's own website, there is not much strong third-party verification showing Elizabeth's Seaside Boutique is a long-established local boutique brand. So, is Elizabeth's Seaside Boutique real or fake? Short answer, probably a real operating store, but potentially another high-risk dropshipping style boutique. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.